The world's biggest chipmaker, Samsung Electronics, has announced its first stock split and said it sees demand for semiconductors remaining strong this year as it posted record annual profits in 2017. Our Kwon Jang-ho tells us more.
In a surprise move, Samsung Electronics announced a massive stock split for the first time in the company's history. In a press release on Wednesday, the tech giant said it has approved a 50-to-1 stock split after it had received numerous requests for the stock split based on views that a high share price was a hindrance to potential investors. Samsung said its board of directors believe the stock split will make the investing in Samsung Electronics more accessible and provide dividends to a wider range of investors. The company added that it also expects to add both liquidity and marketability to Samsung's stock, which may contribute to enhancing corporate value in the long term. Upon the announcement, the company's shares jumped as high as 8% before dropping to 0.2% when trade closed, although it did end up outperforming the rest of the main bourse Kospi, which dropped by almost 1.3%. The total value of Samsung's shares is not set to change, but the price of one share, which is currently worth around $2,400, could in a few months' time, post-split, cost less than $50. The tech giant had previously rejected the possibility of such a move, but despite the value of its shares increasing by 41% last year, the about face suggests the company might have had trouble attracting retail investors.
I think the Samsung Electronics did feel a frustration in regards to that. Their market capitalization is so large relative to the Kospi index. So because of that, they think that it is undervalued because of a lot of the local investors really did not invest in this stock.
With Samsung shares taking up some 20% of the total value of the Korea's main stock exchange, investors are also bracing for broader impact on the Korean stock market.
Overall, I think that it might improve the liquidity into the system and to the Samsung Electronics shares. I think in order for more investors to invest, I think they have to pay more dividend. If there is more payout ratio happening, then the Korean equity market as well as Samsung Electronics should do much better in the future.
The final approval on the stock split decision will be made at the company's annual shareholders meeting in March, and is not expected to come into force until May. Kwon Jang-ho, Arirang News.